This is my cute little heater that I ordered not too long ago. From day one, it was not well put together. It was still a little lopsided, and throughout the past week or so, it's just been falling apart gradually and gradually. Mind you, I keep this heater on this little book underneath my desk in my home office. So it's not getting thrown around, it's not getting tossed around, there's no kids here, there's no animals. I understand it's a pretty cheap heater, but I ordered it because of the color and because my feet get cold. So it just, today I looked at it and look at this. It looks like it's been in a car wreck. I would not order again. I've tried knocking it back together to realign it, but yeah, the handle came off. All this and just I want to order again.